They said you can't build strength without a gym. That's a big mistake. Because today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your living room into a powerhouse with zero equipment. Most people think strength training means fancy machines or lifting heavy iron. But your body, that's your best gym. Whether you're a beginner or just tired of gym subscriptions, this no-equipment strength training plan will burn fat. Build lean muscle and boost your metabolism right at home. Let's get into it. First, warm up. This wakes up your joints, prevents injuries, and preps your body like an engine before a race. Do 1 minute of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of arm circles, 1 minute high knees, 10 slow bodyweight squats, and 30 seconds of shoulder rolls. All right, now, the workout. These 6 moves hit your entire body and target all major muscle groups. Do 3 to 4 rounds, starting with push-ups, 10 to 15 reps. This works your chest, arms, and core. Can't do full push-ups? No problem. Drop to your knees and build up. Next, bodyweight squats, 15 to 20 reps. These sculpt your thighs, strengthen your knees, and give that glute activation. Want a challenge? Slow down the reps, add a jump if you're feeling it. Third, glute bridges, 15 to 20 reps. Perfect for the lower back, hips, and butt. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Don't rush it. Next, Superman hold, 30 seconds. Lie on your stomach. Lift arms and legs and hold. This move is underrated for posture and back strength, especially if you sit all day. Fifth, the plank. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Total core activation. Keep your body in one straight line and don't let your hips sag. Last, the wall sit, 30 to 60 seconds. Looks easy, isn't it? Breathe through the burn. This isometric move strengthens your quads and mental toughness. Once done, cool down. Stretch your hamstrings, quads, chest, back, and shoulders. Just 5 minutes helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. No fancy gym, no excuses, just raw results. This routine is for anyone, working professionals, busy parents, college students. You can do this at 6 a.m. or 11 p.m. Strength training doesn't need a stage, it needs commitment. The stronger version of you is already inside. This workout brings it out. Now don't just watch, train. Your body deserves it. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer home workouts or gym workouts. And if you got some value from today's video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an upload.
See you next time.